Hi, welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. This video will lead us to the demo of disease inference from health-related questions via Sparse deep learning. Automatic disease inference is of importance to bridge the gap between what online health seekers with unusual symptoms needed and what busy human doctors with biased expertise can offer. However, accurately and efficiently inferring disease is non-trivial, especially for community-based health services due to the vocabulary gap, incomplete information, correlated medical concept and limited high-quality training samples. In this paper, we first propose a user study on the information needs of health seekers in terms of questions and then select those that ask for possible disease of their manifested symptoms for further analytic. We next propose a novel deep learning scheme to infer the possible disease given the questions of health seekers. The proposed scheme is comprised of two key components. The first globally mines the discriminant medical signatures from raw features. The second deems the raw features and their signatures as important nodes in one layer and hidden nodes in the subsequent layer respectively. Meanwhile, it learns the interrelations between these two layers via pre-training with pseudo-labeled data. Following that, the hidden nodes serve as raw features for the more abstract signature mining. With incremental and alternative repeating of these two components, our scheme builds a sparsely connected deep architecture with three hidden layers. Overall, it well fits specific tasks with fine-tuning. Extensive experiments on a real-world data set labeled by online doctors show the significant performance gains of our scheme. First of all, the dataset is loaded in the project. In the dataset loading, the pre-processing is very important. In pre-processing, the stop words are removed from the dataset. The dataset contains the question and answers. The questions are posted by patients or well-wishers of the patients, and then the answers are posted by the physicians or doctors. These are the dataset present in the project. For this dataset, the level of computations are worked out. The level of computation is taken from the signature mining. First of all, the pre-processed questions are given as an input to level of computation. In that, there are 5 levels. At each level, the questions are matched with the dataset and then it gives the possible diseases. The number of diseases is decreased at each level. Then the user have to give the query. This query is called as the question. This question must be classified. There are 3 types of questions. And then the 3 level of computations are worked for this query. After the 3 levels, the similarity value is calculated for the possible disease, and then the high similarity value is taken as a output at this time, and then the remedy for the particular disease is displayed, and then the 4th and 5th levels are computed. After the 5th level, the similarity is also calculated. Based on the similarity value, the high similarity value is taken out from the disease, and then the remedy for the particular disease is also displayed to the user. This method is taken from the signature mining algorithm. Let us see the demo of the project. First of all, run homepage.java. For that, right click the file and then select run file option. Just click this image. Now press the load dataset button. The dataset is loaded. This is the patient query and this is the physician's reply. Likewise, there are many questions and replies are present in our dataset. Then press pre-process. The pre-processed data are stored in the dataset or database. Then click display. This is the pre-processed data. Then click next. This is the level 1. Here the level 1 is calculated for all the patient queries. There are many disease names are displayed at this level 1. At each level the disease names are reduced. That is, the exact disease name is particularly displayed at the last level. And then click next. Press level 2. Here some of the disease names are reduced. Based on the symptoms that is posted by the user queries, these diseases are predicted. Then click next. Press level 3. Here also the disease names are reduced when compared to level 2. Then click next. Press level 4. Click next. Press level 5. Here some of the diseases are only displayed because the symptoms given by the users is the base for this result. Then click next. Here the user can enter the query. Click analyze. Here the patient query is displayed and then the question type is classified here. This question belongs to the disease undiagnosed. The patient asks for the possible disease. Then click next. Press level 1. The level 1 is calculated for the user query. These are the possible diseases for the query posted by the user. And then press level 2. Here the disease names are reduced. And then click next. Press level 3 and then press similarity. The similarity value is calculated for all the diseases with the user query, and then click next. Here the medical term is displayed and then press get. The similarity value, this similarity value is highest in the level 3 similarity. Then click get. This is the remedy for the dengue. Then click next. Then press level 4. Here the diseases are reduced. Then click next. Level 5 and then click similar. These are the maximum symptoms matched with the user query. For these diseases the similarity is calculated and then click next. The high similarity value is displayed here and then the disease for that high similarity value is also displayed, and then press get. The remedy is displayed for this particular disease.